Guys, so I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't voice over that part. I kind of forgot because I don't think she was gonna accept. I got excited and I forgot. But the point is that I have a neon parrot, and I absolutely love neon parrots. They're honestly so cute. I love the colors. I love everything. I'm so excited. I'm so happy about that trade. I didn't think they were gonna do it at first. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I did not think that they were gonna do it. But this was one of my first neon legendaries actually. It was the first one I had. The first neon legendary I ever had, and I'm so happy that I was able to get it back. The fact that it was my first neon legendary is what made me get it back. But also, like, they're so cute. Like, I like giraffes and I like frost dragons, but parrots are just so cute. I know they're not the rarest, but honestly, they are like my dream pet, and it's so cute. Okay, bye.